Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. Today we'll be discussing about how to retain your employees for a longer time. Do you think that your employees will leave your job and go once they get a higher salary offer or something? Do you feel that they are not loyal to you? They are not hardworking? Do you feel like that? Then I would definitely recommend you to try this one thing, which is easy, free of cost, nothing. It just requires your time. That's it. And that is by talking to them. Yes, you heard it right, talking. Now, you must be wondering that yes, we talk to our receptionist, yes, we talk to our assistant staff or associate dentist, we talk to them frequently, but I am not telling you to talk to them about work. Rather than that, have a chat with them, have a one to one discussion with them, and understand what is their drive, what are their goals, what are their ambition, why do they want to work. Understand them. When was the last time you had a chat with your receptionist alone, not with your team, alone? Do you remember? It doesn't happen often, right? But it is required. If you want them to stay with you for a longer time, you need to understand them better. You need to motivate them differently. Every person has different drive, different goals, different ambition. And for that, we have to approach each person differently. If you feel that money is the only factor which drives them, I think you should think twice. You should try to understand them better. Sometimes, yes, money is a factor. Sometimes they are financially not sound and they want to have money. But it also matters how you treat them in your clinic. How are the other things? What are the other work experience which they have? The experience they have in your clinic. How do the other people treat them? How do you treat them? How are the timings? Everything matters. How is it? How far is it from their home? Everything matters. So the drive is never only salary. If you think like that, then you need to understand them better. We need to understand their motivation. And that is only possible by talking to them. Let me give you an example. Imagine you are in your internship year. After your internship, your whole friends, the whole batch had different goals and ambition. Few people will be studying for MDS. Few people must have joined some clinic and started earning. Few people must have joined some chain of clinics and started earning better because the salary is better there. Few people must have joined some trust which is totally free of cost. They just wanted to gain experience. And few must have started with their own practice. Everybody will have different goals, different ambition, different kind of thinking, in spite of coming from the same college, right? So similarly, your team, your receptionist, your assistant staff, your associate dentist, everybody will have different drive. We need to understand their motivation, their drive. What is it? And that is only possible by having an open communication with them, by having a chat with them. Every once in a while, I'm not saying every day, but every once in a while, maybe 3 months or 4 months, sit with them, have a chat with them. And the chat should be very personalized. It should not be before your team or before your colleagues. It should not be like that. It should be a personalized in a room. Give them half an hour time. Talk to them. Try to understand them better. These things will help you motivate them in the correct direction so that they can achieve their dream and you also can achieve your dream. Let me give you a personal example which I experienced. After my internship, when I started working in a clinic, there was a girl who used to come there as part time. She was an assistant and a very good assistant. She was very sincere, always on time, and she knew exactly everything like the root canal material. We just have to tell her that, okay, I'm doing the root canal treatment. She will keep everything ready. She was very talented And she worked there before I joined that clinic, and she was there after I left also. And recently I heard that she had stopped working there just because she has become an advocate and now she has started her own private setup. So she was there associated with that clinic for I don't know how many years. Yes, she wanted some financial help, but other than that, also she wanted some support with the environment, everything. She wanted to have some confidence, which was given to her by the doctor or the owner of the clinic there. So that is how they both achieved their dream. Doctor achieved her goals and aspirations by having a motivated staff, and that girl assistant achieved her dream of becoming an advocate by working there happily and achieving her dream. So that is how I think an association between a doctor and their staff should be. We should motivate them. Everybody will have different drive, different motivations, different ambitions. We have to motivate them, and we know someday or the other they leave us when they achieve their dream. But that's okay because during that journey, first of all, we'll retain them longer. Secondly, they will be so much motivated that they'll help us achieve our dreams as fast as possible. So that is what we want. We want a motivated stuff. And that is possible simply by talking to them, by understanding what their goals are, by understanding what their ambitions are. So I hope you'll start talking to your staff and start understanding them better. I hope you like today's video. In my future videos, we will be coming up with different ideas also. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, bye. You can send us a hi on this number. We'll add you to our special broadcast list, and you'll be getting the notification whenever we send some online, say, upload something online. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.